Hi guys, so this video is going to be a very personal video for me here on my channel, and it's going to touch on a lot of things that I have been just noticing with the beauty industry, and I want to sit down and talk to you guys about it. I will be purging my kit, and I want to start supporting black owned makeup brands. I'm not saying I will never buy anything from L'Oreal, I will never buy anything from LA Girl. That's not what I'm saying. But my back here. But you see the just coming up, and like the hurry come up makeup brands and the new makeup brands, I'm not saying I will never buy. I'm just saying I will not go so hard in supporting them. So let me say this again. I will not say I will never buy them again. I'm just saying that I'm not going to go so hard in supporting them and go so hard in purchasing them. And that really stemmed from the whole Jeffree Star thing, and then I started thinking about Kylie Cosmetics and now KKW Cosmetics and just these other brands where you have Pat McGrath, who has been in this business for years. Pat McGrath, she is the mother of everything makeup, you know what I mean? And she's a black woman, and I'm sure she has stories. Don't move it, mommy, papa. I'm sure she has stories that she can tell you about what she has been through, what she has experienced as a black makeup artist. And for the years she's been doing makeup for, and just to see how she's posting on Destiny Godly's Twitter, she's putting on lipstick on Jackie Aina, and commenting on Fumi Desalu Folds, commenting on her pictures. Look, yo, that's so big to me. I know I'm thinking, would Jeffree Star ever do that? Would Kylie Jenner ever do that? Would Kim Kardashian ever do that? So that's what I'm thinking about. So now I have, you guys know, I have a couple of the Kylie palettes, and the truth is, us as beauty bloggers, we just buy them for you guys. You know, yes, we buy them for ourselves, I get that, but we buy them because you want to see if you want to buy them, and you want to see what it looks like on other women who look like you. That was the premise of YouTube from the beginning. You want to know how something looks, say you Google it, you research, and you find out if it will fit you, if, oh, she's almost my skin. You guys, I get comments like that every single week. Oh, we're about the same shade, so this will work for me. That's what you do. But no, it's like the beauty industry has become so saturated. I remember when MAC Cosmetics was the shit. Yeah. I remember when MAC Cosmetics was it. Like, if you own a MAC brush, that is it. I remember when other people I used to watch back then own MAC, Tiffany D, Dulce Candy, then this other Chinese girl, she has a baby now, I forget her name, or Vietnamese, and of course you guys may not agree with me, but Michelle Phan. Yo, as much as people give Michelle Phan shit, Michelle Phan, she did it. It's Judy Time was the very first blogger I ever see to do a collab with a brand, and that was with BH Cosmetics. So BH Cosmetics started taking us on as beauty vloggers because they saw how many people we could reach because of our authenticity. And that has changed with some of you people who are now making videos, because all you want is free hair, all you want is free makeup, all you want is views. By some people's standard, my channel is dead. But I haven't stopped. I'm going to be honest right now. I'm making from YouTube right now $300 and something a month. $300 and something a month. For me to make the money that I want to make, I have to post a video every single day. I'm doing YouTube because I love it. And me posting, if you see me posting every day, every single month, like if I'm doing a monthly thing where I'm posting lots of videos, it's because I have a financial goal to meet. I'm just putting it out there. I do. So, you know, mama got to put the work in. But if I don't have a financial goal to meet, I can go back and just relax and do probably 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week. Plus, remember, I'm back vlogging now, and I have to edit every single thing I do myself. I come up with the ideas, I edit every single thing myself. I ask friends to come on my channel, I do their makeup, I do every single thing myself. Separate and apart from having Jonathan, from having the belts, from being Fantana's brand ambassador and that responsibility, from being a supplier for Fantana and dealing with the demand that you guys now have with Fantana, the brushes and the lashes, which I completely appreciate, and again with this new demand with the fitness belts from Draws by Needles, which I completely appreciate. I get it, I understand that you guys have demands, but for me, I just do YouTube because I love it. The very first person who started me out on YouTube was, and I've said it before, Julia Graff. I binge watch her tutorials, and I thought, you know what, I could do this. When I started YouTube, there was no Jamaican beauty vlogger. None. It was just me and my windowsill and my bunk bed and my brother asleep till everybody thought he was my boyfriend, because he was in my video all the time. I was like, no, it's my brother. You guys have seen me go through relationships. You guys have seen me married now with Jonathan. I'm not saying I'm the realest person you'll ever meet, but I'm the realest person you'll ever meet. Hearing? I guess I wanted to make this video to get Papa, what ma? Remove it, come off the bicycle, take it up, and then go back on. Yeah, go back on. Something is blocking him, and he just wanted me to come and get it, but I'm working. Yeah, I guess I just wanted to make this video just to kind of clear the air about it's just where my thought process is right now. I want to get more Pat McGrath stuff. I want to support our own. You guys know I used to post Black Opal constantly, and I've never ever been posted on Black Opal's page. I used to post Juve's Play stuff constantly, and I've never been posting on Juve's Play stuff. And those things as and being a black beauty vlogger who has been in it for so long, I'm just like, why am I not being recognized by these brands? You know what I mean? So for me, it does hurt for me, and I'm just making this video to be completely candid. I know some people are going to say, hell, I'm too candid, or I'm too raw, or I probably shouldn't have said that, but I want to make this video so that you guys can know that we as creators, it does hurt us, you know. And just watching all these drama channels and here's the tea, it's just so sad to see what has now happened to the beauty community and to what YouTube and to what's happening to YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for years. You would think that the algorithm would favor us who have been doing YouTube for years rather than favoring those who have more subscribers. I get it, more subscribers, more views, more money for them. But what? No, stop. And I think about that, like, why is the algorithm set up like that? You know what I mean? So I'm just airing out everything, just talking to you guys while dealing with Jonathan, while talking to you guys. But you know what I would say, even though I'm not being I'm not being recognized by these big brands, I went on my Twitter and I was unfollowing people who weren't following me. Yes, I'm petty. And I saw that Jackie Aina was following me, and I saw that Black Opal was following me. I saw that Face Atelier was following me. No, this is it. They may not know that they're following me, to be honest with you, because you know half the time you don't know who you're following. But the fact that they thought even to follow me in the first place, I'm like, oh, that's so romantic, you know. So that gave me a little boost of confidence. But looking at everything that I'm doing now is because of how many years I've been YouTube and what I've been sowing here on YouTube. Sowing meaning the years I've invested in YouTube. Buying for this T3 I've had, you know, for probably 4 or 5 years. And Chantel, who I met on YouTube, who's now one of my best friends, who was a part of my bridal party, she helped me to buy this camera. I think she gave me $200 or something like that, or $150, I don't remember. She helped me to buy this camera and somebody brought it down for me, and I was like, yes, YouTube game on point. Then I bought my box lighting, then I got my ring light, and now I'm going to get a new camera. Big my baby father. I'm going to Jeremy, I want the Canon 70D. I don't want nobody, because I have a lens fit already prime and put on. So thank God I get a new camera. So this camera will now be my vlogging camera. Yes, it's cumbersome, but my vlogs will be way cleaner. My phone ringing. But my phone ringing. Yeah, so that's just what I want to say. That, and oh, and I was saying that I'm seeing where God is blessing, and I'm seeing where I'm not being recognized by who I want to be recognized by. But I was recognized by Fontana, not just to be the beauty brand ambassador, but to be a supplier. And being a supplier for Fontana has really stepped my game up, you know, to make me realize that this issue is serious. You need to get this done. This, like, now I'm already in the process of getting samples for our new brushes. I know, but hopefully I can get them before December. I'm not saying anything yet because it will take our time to make them, and the money to pay for them, and the money to ship them out here, and the money to clear them. It's a lot that goes on at the back end, and I'm going to be honest with you, I absorb most of that cost. Yes, I sell to Fontana, of course I sell at a percentage, but I absorb most of that cost because I want it to be affordable for you guys. So it's like I want to support my own. I want to support my own. I really do. There's Jill Cosmetics, who's a past student of mine from my online classes. She has a makeup line. She's a black woman. Root X Hope on Instagram. They're a jewelry line. Black people. Jewels by Jai. Jewelry line. Black people. I want to support my own, because we deserve it. Shit, man. We deserve it. We deserve it. We deserve it. So this is me just airing my dirty laundry and just like rambling before 12 minutes, because this thing times out at 12 minutes. But that's what I want to say. I may not say everything that I want to say. It may come across harsh, but that's not the intention. I just want to sit down and vibe with you guys for this month of August. So expect more of these sit down, talk it, vlog type videos. Yeah? Oh, nose ring by Draws by Needles. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.